Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the A55 and opening the Circle app. Pair them immediately over Bluetooth or the same LAN so data flows. Once paired, enable indexing in settings and grant storage/search permissions so Circle can read A55 files. Make sure Wi-Fi channels are stable and firmware on A55 is current. Mismatched versions cause missed entries. After indexing starts, watch the sync indicator. It must show progress before you attempt any searches to ensure complete, accurate results. You now focus on constructing precise queries. Pick filters like date range, file type, size, and exact device path on the A55. Once filters are set, combine terms with quotes for exact matches, use wildcards for partial names, and Boolean operators like and or to narrow results. If needed, toggle rejects mode for complex patterns, but test one pattern at a time. After you preview results, refine parameters and save successful templates so future searches become repeatable and fast. You finish by exporting matches or tagging items inside Circle, and if the A55 supports it, sync tags back to the device for persistent organization. Schedule recurring searches for ongoing monitoring and check index health regularly to prevent drift. If results are incomplete, first rebuild the index, then confirm Circle has read permissions on all A55 directories and that no encryption layers block access. If problems persist, restart both devices, repair, and run a small test search to verify resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.